Look no further than the 2023 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.